Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am WAQAR and you are watching WAQAR of Taunsa, the world of kitchen garden vegetables. Today I want to show you my first kitchen garden results. Today is 20th May 2023. Almost all the plants are starting fruiting. I made this garden fully organic. Soil preparation, fertilizers, fungicides, and insecticides are made organically. I had tried my best to prepare all the materials in my previous videos. I always grow vegetables using intercropping methods. For example, one species grows upward and the other grows along the land. Some grows vertically and some grows horizontally. I used to grow wisely these species by using intercropping or cross cropping methods. The benefit is that land can be used fully and space can be saved. Second benefit of cross cropping is that the leaves gives a chance as greenhouse for younger plants, so the younger plants grow rapidly. Third benefit of intercropping is to get maximum vegetable production. The fourth benefit is that when we grow vegetable at home, we have to face pollination problems. The solution is that intercropping method. More flowering catch more insects to pollinate. In my kitchen garden, I grow bitter gourd. These vegetables are difficult for pollination in kitchen garden because no insects come for pollination. We have this problem. We have to solve this problem. I make a bamboo shed for the vegetable propagation, and I have grow the different type of flowers like sunflowers attract the insects themselves, and different types of insects and flies comes to pollinate our vegetables along with sunflowers. With the sunflowers, I grow the tindas and etc. And I grow the melons. Melons are propagating very properly. Melons, and after this, I recently grow banana tree. Small banana tree can easily grow. And the next is lemon. Lemon is also a beautiful plant. This is a China lemon. It grows very well. With the China lemon, I have found a empty space. Then I grow podina near the lemon and pomegranate next to it. And the aloe vera is grown in my garden. Kachnar is also propagating well. As you can see, I grow tomato plants at different places, and after this I grow onions. Our onions are about to harvest. It had about 4 to 5 months to grow. Now these are ready to harvest. I also grow along the onions the bottle gold. It means pumpkins. Pumpkins are uh, growing very well. We have been eating pumpkins about 1 month before. Now these are growing well and well. Next to the pumpkin, I grow watermelon, sugar baby watermelon. I grow, but grow them late. These are on flowering, but no fruiting on it till today. And I also use intercropping among the watermelon. I grow okra seeds in the watermelon seedlings. Now our okra is ready to harvest. I daily harvest okra. Watermelons are intercropped with pumpkins, and okra is intercropped with tomatoes, and onions are intercropped with podina. As I see empty space under the small plants as like okra, I saw empty space. I dropped some seeds of tomatoes to grow for the next time. It is time saving and very easy cropping. Intercropping is best cropping method, and the small plants provides the underneath seeds as greenhouse. So it doesn't matter how hot is day, what is the season, or what is the conditions. So it can easily can be grown for the next generation. After this, I want to show that jasmine is intercropped with watermelon in the bags, and next watermelon plant is intercropped with sunflowers. As you see, these are tomatoes. These are on flowering, and after the tomatoes, I grow brinjals. Brinjals are intercropped with chilies. Both the brinjals and the chilies are on fruiting. These fruitings are mature and ready to harvest. I had harvested a lot of time chilies before this video. Now some pieces of brinjals are ready to harvest. As you can see, the brinjals, beautiful brinjals and fully matured brinjals are ready to harvest and ready to eat. These chilies are also grown in well manner. Brinjals and chilies are both intercropped among themselves. After this, I want to show you the results of large pumpkins. I mean halwa kaddu for you. You can see the pumpkins are grown before 3 months. After 3 months, you are seeing the results. The results are that the pumpkins bale is very huge and large and loaded with flowers. The difficult to grow the pumpkins because it had to face a pollination problem, but I hardly overcome the pollination problem, and the results are you are seeing that the results. uh, the fruiting is about above 5 to 6 kg. Now it is ready to harvest, and you can make halwa from pumpkin. The pumpkins are intercropped with cucumbers and tar. I mean kakdi. And I want to show you on the other side the bitter gourds are also intercropped with tar and kakdi and pumpkins and cucumbers also. The bitter gourds are ready to harvest, and I am trying to show you the results of bitter gourd. and these are tar, uh, the kakadi, and cucumbers are not shown here, and some other species are on fruiting, and the okra is on fruiting. As you are seeing, okra is ready to harvest. I also harvested a lot of times, and these chilies are also ready to harvest. As you can see, these are turi. Turi is ready to harvest, and much more things if I can see you. Now I am going inside the plants to show you the results of chilies. Here are the chilies. The size of chili is best, and these are hybrid chilies, and their taste is very hard and result oriented chilies. Thanks for watching.